Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys. Listen guys, initially I wasn't going to do a video in regards to this item, but putting it together I realized you guys are out there like me was searching for a certain unit for your Dyson, and I figured why not, let me put this up for you guys who out there shopping for this type of item and just need some more information. Now, for those of you not aware what this is a Dyson 10. Not the Dyson 10, but a Dyson 10 stand. I end up picking up this item here. This is a Dyson Cyclone V10. I like this machine. I needed something portable. I own another Dyson, but I wanted something that's portable. I didn't have to worry about plugging it in. Just grab it, pick up whatever dust or spill I need to do, and this works out well. Those who are familiar with this unit knows you get a lot of accessories with it, and this thing can be mounted on the wall, and they give you a little holder that holds only 2 accessories, but you have a lot more other accessories that comes with this unit. So after doing my research and looking online, and particularly on Amazon, because that's where I get a lot of my my products from, I came across this item. I'll put a little picture on what it looks like, and it looks promising. Now, I didn't want to mount this on the wall because I wanted to have the flexibility to put it anywhere that I want it. So you may want to consider this item. All right, so let's get in the video. Again, welcome to the channel, and welcome back to the channel. This is Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys, and let's get with it. All right. All right, guys. As you can see, I already pretty much started. First thing you're gonna do is gonna be taking the base that's here, and you're gonna take what they call the base screws. The packages are all labeled pretty well. All right, this is called base screw G. So you're gonna take 2 screws out of this bag and pretty much go from the bottom and install it. Driver and the Allen wrench that they already give you. that hangs there. So that's pretty much how it's set up, guys. It's sturdy. Let me show. You just slide it in. All right. It's not wobbly at all. Just so I can get a better angle for you guys. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. All right. I just want to give it a closer look. So again, I'll put a link on, guys. Quick video, just want to show you how you put this together, how it looks, and I must admit I like it. Again, it's ideal. I didn't want anything that's permanent, and I can put this right in my laundry room, run the plug there, and it's there. If I need to move it to another location, based on my needs, I can pick it up, store it in the closet. It doesn't matter. It just gives me options. And again, like I said before, I didn't want to put it inside a closet or hang it in the garage, because then it's permanent there and I have to go back and forth. I like the option of moving this around based on how I'm living in my household. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Give me some comments. If you have this unit, the stand, tell me what you think about it. If you have this Dyson, tell me what you think about it. I just got it. I didn't do a video on it. There's a lot of other videos out there. But I'm gonna tell you, I like it just for convenience that it's portable. And something, you know, having pets, I just want something quick. I don't have to worry about plugging it up and just go. And so far, it's fitting the bill. And it's very powerful too. So I do like it. You pay a little premium for Dyson. Again, I bought the warehouse clearance version. I didn't buy